doing today, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Alex from MTV Alex, and today is gonna be a quick one. I'm gonna show you how to adjust the mechanical brakes on your bike. Before I do that, please go ahead and consider subscribing. If you want to support the channel, link down in the description. And if you haven't done so, please go ahead and subscribe again. And let's do this. Now, this process is the same for the front and the rear. So I'm just gonna do one side and show you how's that done. Okay, so for these purposes, I'm gonna focus on the front. So over here, this is like a barrel adjustment. And what you wanna do before you start doing anything, you wanna go ahead and push that all the way in. And this one has a locking nut. So you might wanna push the locking nut all the way out. And then once you do that, you should be able to screw this in. It might be a little tight or maybe not. Now if you notice, over here you have like a little groove. That's where the cable comes in through. So you want to adjust that all the way and let the locking nut be adjusted so that this thing will not move any further. Then you're going to come back down to the brake. Right here you might also find another barrel adjustment. So this is for the micro adjustment. So I'm going to make sure this is all the way in. This is all the way in. And it is now. And now you can see that this thing has a little bit of slack. So I'm gonna undo this real quick, untighten it, and then you can either pull it, you can either do this like that before it starts braking. So go like this and press the brake. And before it starts rubbing, that's where you wanna tighten this up. That's where you're going to tighten up. So right there is not rubbing. I'm going to go ahead and tighten. And now with this, once you do that, you can go ahead and brake. And it should be really tight. Now if you need to do micro adjustment, you can use the barrels. Screw them out. That's going to tighten this cable until you're satisfied with the braking. So that's a quick and easy tip on how to adjust your brakes if you feel like you're not braking enough, you don't have enough power. Just go ahead and do that process and you should be good to go. Now if you were to having rubbing issues still, you can loosen up the top and the bottom bolt on the brake pad, on the brake caliper itself, and then hold this brake lever and then tighten this up and it will align the caliper and you should be good to go. I hope that you learned something today. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. That's it for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.